Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing box braid, but we'll not be doing from the starting to the end. If you want to watch other of my box braid videos, I will link them up here. Okay, I will just put the link of one on top here, then you can just go and watch. Let's get into the business.
I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer.
So guys, do you remember this beautiful lady? Look at her, she's so beautiful. You remember the last video I made? We did color 1, okay? So this one we're doing color 33. Look at it. So just because we've already made the whole hair before, so I will just be showing you guys the last part of this hair. This is what I will be showing you, so you get to see what I will be doing and how I'm parting it. Okay guys, stay tuned. So guys, let me not talk too much, but first I want to say thank you so much for my subscribers. And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. You will like it here. If you are a fan of box braid, Ghanaian lines, name them, you will love it here. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you the method that I prefer using while braiding my client's hair. So I've done another of my video, okay, in which I make box braid. You can go and check it, how I make various box braid. There are different ways you can actually come up with box braid and they will still look very nice like this. Okay, so I will put the video up there so you can go and check it out. It's so nice. And if you want to see this, the first video I made for her, which was the color 1, I will also drop the link up there so you can go and check it and see how it looks so beautiful. So guys, I will leave you up to this video so you can see how I'm braiding it. Thank you so much for always coming. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I will see you at the end of this video. Bye.
She's loving on me, but I'm loving this weather. Cali got heat, but her body's hot as ever. Yo, I got what I need, cold being nothing better. I'll keep doing me, margaritas in a blender. Her body's so tender, body so slender. Know that I'm a bender, never say never. I'm a go-getter, and I just met her. Baby, there's no pressure, just pleasure, yeah. She got a body like a diamond, it's one of a kind, and 4th of July, yeah. Summertime fine, yeah. Wanna make her mine, yeah. Bikini tan lines, yeah. Shines like a diamond, she 9 out of 9, yeah. I could give a damn what you say, yeah. I'm living my way, cold beers in a bay. I stay out of the shade, I just live for today. Like a kid, I'ma play. Let's get lit, let's get laid, let's get big, let's get paid, yeah. Living out in Hollywood, yeah, man, I feel good, yeah. So misunderstood, cause we're young and we're crooked. Everybody's hooked, yeah, everybody shook, yeah. Do it by the book, no, we do it like we should, yeah. Young and we're free, ain't nobody stopping me. I'ma drink 2 or 3, maybe more, yeah, we'll see. Cause it's just what I need, alcohol and the beach. Got the sand on my feet, and the girls in the heat, yeah. She's so bubbly, she likes country. Said I like money, now she thinks I'm funny.
So guys, we've already finished fixing this hair. It's so lovely. You can see my client, she loved this hair so much. Look at how the inside look like. You can see it's so neat and beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit.